In this video, I discuss about how to extract vertex or vertices in the form of point layer from a polygon feature. The procedure is same for a line layer to point layer. And the second part of this video is how to add geometry, that is latitude and longitude, against each point. So this is my polygon layer, and if I select this layer, I can see the vertex. And if just remove the base map layer from here, just click out. So this is my vertex, and between two vertices is the segment. So there are several vertices. Now I going to create point layer against the each vertex. So for that I go to vector and geometry tool, and then I go to the extract vertices option, and I select the layer, that is the polygon layer, and go for run. And I am not giving any output file right now. A temporary file will be created, and if I satisfied with the result, then I save it. So the point against each vertex will appear. So I can see here from the attribute table that 59 entry is there, but the first vertex, that is vertex index 0, and the last vertex, that is vertex index 58, will be the same vertices, because polygon starts from this point number 1, number 0, and ends at point 58. So this is the 58 number of vertex here, and other attribute is like that, but there is no geometry here. So close it. If I want to create a geometry, that is latitude, longitude, or easting, northing, anything, then I have to go to second operation here. So for example, I first see that what is the geometry of this point layer actually. So if I go to properties, I'll see that the CRS is geographic, that is latitude, longitude, and that is WGS 84. So if I go again vector to geometry tools to add geometry attributes, and my input file will be the point file, and calculate using will be the layer CRS. So layer here is projection system is WGS 84 geographic. So the geometry will be decimal degree or degree decimal. I go to open attribute table, and if you see that point index 0 has the latitude is 88.3995 and 25.5710, and this will be same for the last point also, 88.3995 and 25.75013. So I have got the point layer with geometry. So this is our final layer. So I can save it from export to save feature as, and I can see it from this layer. So this is, I can outside point. Yeah, outer boundary point. Save. Geometry is like this. And you can, if you change CRS from UTM and geometry, the video I already made, so you can change from degree decimals to UTM of any coordinates. So from this operation we can identify how much vertices or segments we have inserted to create a polygon. When we draw a polygon, how much vertices is there, how much segments is there. Segments and vertices for a polygon will be the same. And secondly, if we want to put the point ID against each point, then we can label it from here, properties, and select label, single label 2, and so this is vertex index, but everything yes, font size is okay. So you can see here I just off my base map here, so I can see here the number of vertices. For this you can see that both 0 and 50 is shown. So this is the start and ending point. If you want to remove 0, then you have to delete it from the attribute table. Thank you for watching this video and your patience.